Well, good morning. I'm Jagender Rana. The topic for our discussion today is electric vehicle battery insurance. Electric vehicle battery insurance. Electric vehicles are revolutionizing personal transportation, but they pose special challenges, most notably battery cost. Battery is the most expensive part of an EV. Usually 30% to 50% of the vehicle's total cost. Whereas most electric vehicles have a warranty on the battery from the manufacturer, this typically lasts only 8 years or a set mileage and does not protect against all types of damages. So this is why bespoke battery insurance is increasingly a key consideration for electric vehicle owners. Gaps in cover within motor insurance. The majority of individuals believe that comprehensive car insurance protects them in all situations. But that is not necessarily the case with the electric vehicles. Standard motor insurance will guard against external accidents or fire but exclude battery aging, overcharging harm, water ingress, or manufacturing flaws once the vehicle is out of warranty. So special battery coverage fills gaps, especially as electric vehicle batteries can be vulnerable to temperature, shift, and charging errors. So what to look out for before purchasing battery insurance? Before deciding on a battery insurance policy, it is important to know what is actually covered. Look for a policy that covers accidental damage, battery components, theft, performance loss, and damage from voltage variations or charging stations malfunctions. You could also include coverage for towing fees and roadside emergency assistance, something that could greatly benefit electric vehicle motorists stranded due to battery failure. So be certain to clarify whether the battery can be replaced with the coverage of the policy. Only covers repairs, or the policy only covers repairs. So battery depreciation and claim settlements. Depreciation is one of the primary considerations in insurance of electric vehicle batteries. Batteries, being a component of a car, depreciate year after year, and insurers can settle claims based on depreciated value instead of actual costs. So check the insurer's depreciation policy and claim procedures to be spared any surprise. Some policies also include add-ons like zero depreciation battery cover. That could be the price of a few extra premiums for this peace of mind. Then cost benefit analysis. Is it worth it? Though insurance on batteries does incur an expense, it can offer good long-term financial protection. EV battery replacement with cost between rupees 3 lakh and rupees 7 lakh depending on the models can, even with a partial reimbursement, prevent cost out-of-pocket expenses. However, one needs to weigh the premiums against the possibility of claims, your car's age, and usage pattern. So for new electric vehicles of cars with high mileage, battery insurance generally makes sense. As electric vehicles becomes more common, knowing battery protection insurance is important. So since the battery is the source of performance and a costly component to replace, battery insurance can be a prudent measure. So carefully consider your electric vehicle usage, check coverage exclusions, understand the depreciation terms, and choose a plan that provides extensive battery protection aligned with your needs. So replacing an electric four-wheeler battery can be expensive. That is why many owners of such vehicles check if their battery is covered by their car insurance policy. Reputed insurance companies such as any reputed insurance company can provide a variety of insurance policies and add-ons for electric vehicles and their batteries. So due to rising fuel prices and the government's encouragement, people in India have slowly started using electric vehicles. In July 2022, over 13 lakh electric vehicles were used in the country, and this number continues to rise till today. So as the electric vehicles industry is quite new, there are many questions in the minds of four-wheeler owners regarding the vehicle and their insurance. However, the biggest concern that electric car owners have is about the coverage of the car battery in their insurance policy. Thankfully, getting insurance for electric vehicles has become easy by the reputed insurance companies. There is a wide variety of vehicle insurance policies with different types of coverage and multiple add-ons. The companies have ensured the process of applying, renewing, claiming insurance simple and hassle-free. Car owners can head to the company's websites and insure themselves instantly. So electric vehicles use a large battery as an energy source. An electric car battery is a larger version of the lithium ion batteries found on devices such as the smartphones. These batteries are made of thousands of lithium ion cells working together. So battery of an electric car gets charged when the vehicle is plugged in and its energy is expended while the vehicle is operated. They are lighter than other rechargeable batteries and have a higher energy density as well. So the main concern about these batteries are their lifespan and replacement cost. So electric car batteries go through multiple charge and discharge cycles when the vehicle is in use. Naturally, the efficiency of the battery goes down with time and use. So these batteries are designed to be buffered, that is not used at their maximum capacity, and they also have smart cooling systems. So this helps in extending their lifespan. Usually automobile companies provide a warranty of up to 8 years or 1.6 lakh kilometers, whichever comes earlier. After this period, vehicle owners may need to change their electric car batteries. So car insurance usually does not include vehicle battery coverage. However, it must be noted that comprehensive vehicle insurance will not cover losses related to depreciation and wear and tear of the vehicle. So the battery of an electric car has a definite lifespan and will need to be replaced eventually. And since this is classified as wear and tear of a component of the vehicle, it will not automatically be covered under a comprehensive insurance policy. However, insurance companies do sell electric car battery coverage as an add-on features or riders. Such add-on features helps to extend the coverage of the vehicle insurance policy at an extra cost. So electric car batteries have finite lives and need to be replaced eventually due to damage or wear and tear. Wear and tear damages are usually not included in the vehicle insurance policy. So vehicle owners will need to purchase electric car battery coverage as an add-on. as an add-on. So whenever there is a EV, or you can say electric vehicle, it has to be kept in mind whether the coverage for the battery is there or not, because that is the most important aspect for an electric vehicle. Now the question is, when the comprehensive policy for a electric vehicle is taken, say for example electric vehicles are on the rise in India, but the insurance on such vehicles is expensive. Cover on batteries can be bought only as an add-on in most policies. Now what the important aspects are? Age of the vehicle. This is the first thing that you should consider before taking the add-on cover. If the electric vehicle is below 5 years old, then you should opt for the add-on cover. Most insurers offer this cover only for a specific number of years, but you should avail it as long as it is offered by the insurance company. Secondly, sum insured. The cost of replacing the battery is typically around 40 to 50% of the total cost of the vehicle. So you should keep this in mind while deciding the sum insured for the add-on cover. You should take the maximum possible sum insured for the battery, as inflation would drive up its cost significantly higher in the future. Thirdly, geographical location. If you live in a flood-prone area, then you should definitely go for a higher sum insured for the battery. Since the chances of water ingression into your battery is quite high in flood-prone areas, the premium rates for such areas will also be significantly more. But you should buy an adequate battery cover in such cases, even if the premium costs are higher. Then co-payment and deductibles. Most add-on covers come with co-payment and deductible clause. If the cover has such clause, it means that you have to bear a certain percentage of the cost of the claim at the time of settlement. Do read fine print carefully on co-payment and deductibles. You should ideally choose an insurance cover that does not contain any co-payment and comes with the standard deductibles. So since electric vehicles are new to the market, their operation, maintenance, equipment and components differ from the vehicles that run on petrol and diesel. Vehicle owners should take a motor protector cover for their electric vehicles. This cover, which is not available in standard electric vehicle insurance policies, also comes as an add-on. So the additional cover is quite useful when it comes to saving you from hefty expenses for repairing the motor that powers your electric vehicle. You should have insurance cover for charging equipment, sensors and cameras. You should ideally take the zero depreciation cover as an add-on, since it is not available in standard electric vehicle insurance policies. So with this, depreciation on components will not be deducted from your claim amount. You should also take the roadside assistance cover, as it is handy when your vehicle encounters a breakdown while you are traveling. So third-party insurance and other regular features that are available for petrol and diesel vehicles are also there in EV insurance. While the premium rates for standard coverage for petrol diesel vehicle is based on CC, that is cubic capacity, it is based on the kW, that is kilowatt for electric vehicles. So electric vehicle insurance policies provide financial protection for your vehicles against liabilities such as damages, fire, natural calamities, riot, theft of the insured vehicle and third-party injuries or damages to their property. So by choosing the right cover, you can avoid unnecessary expenses. Thank you very much.